In this video, I will show you how to loop YouTube videos. So if you do want to repeat any YouTube video automatically, whether it's music, a tutorial, or maybe background content you want to keep playing, then make sure to follow along with me as I show you how to do this step by step. And if this video helps today, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the video that you want to loop. So what I'm going to do is just search for one of my videos on YouTube. So I'm going to use this video here. Now, what you want to do is click to start playing the video, and here we are on the video page. Now, to loop this video, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is right click onto the video itself. If there is an ad playing, wait for the ad to finish and the actual video to start. And what you want to do is right click to bring up this menu. Now, on this menu, you're going to see the option to loop. Give it a click, and what that's going to do is enable the loop option. You can see it's now been ticked, which means if I skip to the end of this video and I'm just going to play it through, and you're going to see it's going to start looping and it's just going to start again automatically. In the next video. In this video, I will show you how. So as you can see, it's looped through and it's just going to continue to do that until you right click and deselect the loop option. So that's how to loop YouTube videos. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.